So we've now got our first two layers complete on the cube. We now need to start doing the top layer. And the first thing we need to do, like we did with the white cross, we need to make a yellow cross. So it might well be that you've got an L shape here in the yellows. Don't worry about these ones. We're only concentrating on the cross for the moment. So you might have an L shape, you might have nothing at all, or you might have 3 in a horizontal or a vertical. If you have got 3 in an L shape like this, rotate the top piece so it's a back to front L shape. If you don't have an L shape, then just do this algorithm from wherever. Okay, so pick up the cube, rotate the front face of the cube to the right, and then we are doing our normal algorithm of up, left, down, right. Okay, now our L-shaped piece is turned into a horizontal yellow line. Okay, if you didn't have anything before, you should now have an L piece somewhere, so rotate that L piece so it's back, so it's the back to front L. If you started off with a horizontal line, you only need to do this once and you should have a yellow cross by this point. So now we've got our horizontal line and we've still got our white piece there. We do another up, left, down, right, and then we rotate the front face back around to the left to bring the white back down, and we've now got our yellow cross. Problem is, our yellow cross does not match the faces. They're all jumbled up. So we need to rotate the cube around, and luckily for us, it all matched. So now we've got our white faces matched. So let's say you've completed your yellow cross, but they don't match on the right faces. So what you need to do is have a look and rotate the top piece so that two pieces match. Now it might well be that they match opposite. It might well be that you only get one piece to match. It all depends on the rotation of your cube. If they match opposite, just turn them so they're horizontal to you. Okay, if you've only got one piece that matches, in fact, no, you'll only have two. You'll have a minimum of 2. So if they're horizontal, make sure they are parallel to you. If they are 2 corner pieces, make sure that the matching pieces are on the back and on the right. Okay, then you do this algorithm. We do up, left, down, then we go left again, up, right, right, down, and that will rotate all of the pieces. Okay, so if we have a look now, they all match, as you can see. Okay, that's the end of this one, and we'll go next to do the corner pieces and solve the cube.